Yo, what up y'all? Gio here from the Chubby TV, and for today's video we're with our good friend over here. So, pakilala ka naman, sir.
My name's Kim. I'm a good friend of Gio over here. Known him since like high school. So yun, we're gonna do a shoot today with the master photographer.
Yeah.
Kiwi photo.
So we're going to a photo shoot today with our master photographer friend, and yeah, makikilala niyo siya later on. And so far, pakita natin ano dala natin. So we have some sneakers over here for the photo shoot. We have the Mars Yard and the Converse Off-White. And what's on feet?
Yeah! Got a crease to... Got a crease J1.
Yeah guys, so we'll check in back with you guys in a bit. Peace. Lodi Cakes!
Alright!
What's up, sir?
What's up? Shout out sa mga baby cakes ni Kiwi!
So for my pairs, I brought the Jordan 1 Travis Scott for the photo shoot. Also brought the Union Jordan 1s. And also this pair right here, which we unboxed yesterday over at Commonwealth. So yeah, let's play the clips, guys. Peace. So it's currently 8 PM and we're over at Greenbelt. And there's still a line for the Sakai raffle. So yeah, we have the pairs. We have the LD Waffle Sakais in a size 9. So big shout out to George for allowing us to take a video of these pairs. So yeah guys. So over at the size tab we have Varsity Blue Del Sol, Blue Varsity Del Sol. And again, this is a size 9. What do you think? So nice. So yeah, Bianca's taking a photo of it right now because she likes it super. She super likes it. So over here is the second colorway. It's green gusto safety orange, and again this is size 9. So yeah, let's unbox these guys.
So which color do you like?
So which one do you guys like more? So this releases tomorrow, May 16th, over here at Commonwealth. And it releases via Cop Date. So good luck guys to everyone who joined. So again, this is the blue colorway or the Team Philippines colorway, and over here is the green and yellow colorway. So now it's basically the next day, and we were able to win the pair of the LD Waffle Sakais over at Commonwealth via the Cop Date app. So yeah guys, we're about to pick it up over at Commonwealth. What's up guys, so for today we're over here at UP Diliman with our friends Mr. Master Photographer Kiwi.photo. Check his account down below. And setting up. So for today we're about to shoot the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. Solid. Damn. So yeah, I'll show you guys how we take photos for Instagram. And I'll show you guys pictures later. Peace. For photos number 1, we're with Kiwi over there. One and down.
dahon. Forward mo doon. Sorry.
So now here's how you take some fit pics. So I'm sitting down on this playground thing. So yeah guys.
Nga yung Converse. For the gram. Oh,
So we're doing it for the gram, guys. Look at this. Solid location.
Ganda naman yung location, no?
So basically, this what goes behind the scenes in doing some Instagram photo shoots.
Ay, diyan ka na lang!
So yeah guys, nasa ilalim kami ng ilog. Solid.
Bakit ka?
Or what do you call this? A creek. So over there, that was the location earlier. Now we're trying to look for more locations over here at UP Diliman.
Babalik ka. Wait lang.
Break daw muna. Recess. Sarap. Ano, kick yung break. Pansit Canton.
Pasig Canton.
Kwek kwek. Solid.
Oh, designer mo daw si Jerry Rivero.
So for outfit number 2, I already wore the LD Waffle Sakay sneakers. Ayan, so this is my latest pickup. I won the cup date raffle, luckily. So that's on feet already. So now we're off to shoot number 2. Peace. So we now found location number 2. We're shooting the Sakays. So we found this Jeep-like thing. Taking photos of the sneakers. For another location. Location number 2. Solid. Solid.
Pagod na ako.
so there you guys have it. That's a wrap for the photo shoot. So now we're here at UP Town Center with Kiwi. We're just about to get the photos from him and then post later on in the day. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below what you guys think about what goes behind the scenes of Instagram photo shoots, and yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.